Hello everyone, now we will tell you how to join SPE as a student member. First thing first, you guys can open your browser and go to the link on the screen below. After that, you guys can click on membership, then click join SPE. When you scroll it to the bottom, you can see there are two boxes, professionals and student. And in this video, we will choose student membership. If you want to know more about the benefits, just click on additional benefits. Click on join online student. And don't forget to read the student membership qualification carefully. After that, fill in the blanks. First, you just can select your country and choose free student sponsorship from Saffron. And don't forget to click next. If you already have an existing SPE account, just enter your email and password, then click on sign in. If you forgot your password, just click on forgot password. And if you don't have an account, just click create a new online account. And in this video, we will choose create a new online account. Next, enter your desired email address. Then, you must validate your email to proceed to the next step. Fill out each field in the profile section. Any field with red asterisk is required to fill. First, enter your name and birthday date. Next, choose your address type, university or home address. Enter your phone number. Then, select your reason for joining SPE. And don't forget to choose between yes or no for the next two questions. Last but not least, enter your desired password. Don't forget to scroll down and review your profile section. If it's done, click on Next and click on Add New to add your education data. Choose your degree, program type, university link, and graduation date in prediction. have to know that SPE student membership is valid from January to December. Members join after 1 September, pay for next year's membership, and receive the remaining months of the current year at no additional cost. Don't forget to always review your SPE membership and click on Pay Now to complete the application. You can print the receipt or send it to your email. The student membership application is complete. Okay, that's all from us. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. See you and goodbye.